Hello powerful minds. Most of the people spend their whole day wasting time on social media, playing video games or just browsing over the internet. Today in this video we will share some productive tasks that you can do in your free time. So let's get started. Number 1. Learn a new language. Picking up a new language is a great way to engage your mind during your free time. It can help you understand foreign cultures and learn about different parts of the world. Pick up a copy of a language acquisition book online or at your local library. You can also read magazines and books, or watch movies and TV in the language you're learning, to make learning the language more fun. Number 2. Take up painting or drawing as a hobby. Making art is a great way to spend your free time. You can express yourself and pick up a new skill. Try out different types of painting, including acrylics, enamel, frescoes, inks, oils, water miscible oils, pastels, and dry pastels, spray paint, or watercolor. Number 3. Organize your planner or calendar. Between work, meetings, professional obligations, social meetups, and the other parts of life, it's easy to become overwhelmed with obligations. Use 10 minutes of your free time to organize your calendar or day planner. Writing down and organizing the dates and times that you have certain obligations will reduce stress and help you keep appointments. Number 4. Take up gardening. Gardening is a great way to pass your free time and to use your hands to make food for your family and friends. Cacti are amazing plants that grow gorgeous flowers, and they're almost impossible to kill. Or you could try herbs, which are easy to grow and fun to use in cooking or in crafts. Number 5. Turn cooking into a fun activity instead of a chore. Cooking new recipes is a fun way to pass time when it's done for pleasure instead of necessity. Pull out a cookbook and try some new recipes. Spend an afternoon baking and learning how to use new techniques that you've never tried before. Once you've honed a few tasty recipes, throw a casual dinner party for people you really care about. Number 6. Spend time catching up on your reading. Whether you're most interested in fiction, non-fiction, poetry, philosophy, or biography, reading will engage your mind and help your free time feel more meaningful. Reading will broaden your perspectives and improve your vocabulary. The books you read can open your mind to perspectives and cultures you may not already be familiar with. Number 7. Spend time with a pet. If you don't already have a pet, now might be a good time to get one. Pets require regular care, and can help you to fill your free time by playing, taking a walk, or preparing food for the animal. If you're in the market for a pet, check a local animal shelter. Number 8. Focus on your spirituality. Free time is the perfect time for all things spiritual because you give yourself the space to unwind, reflect, and think about the bigger picture and life's purpose. Whether or not you're religious, spiritual time is an essential part of being human, and tending to the side of yourself is one of the healthiest things you can do for yourself. Number 9. Learn to meditate. Sit quietly for 20 minutes and breathe naturally. Count your breaths up to 10, then start over again. The idea behind meditation is to have something on which to focus, so that you stay holistically present and don't drift off mentally. Meditation can calm you down and help you avoid negative thoughts and feelings. Number 10. Exercise to stay in good physical shape. Using your free time to stay physically fit is an easy and healthy way to pass an hour. Free time provides a good opportunity to keep up your fitness levels, whether it's by lifting weights in your garage or doing push-ups in your living room. If you have relatively little free time, spend 15 to 30 minutes exercising at home. So we will end this video with an amazing quote that says, "Be selective with where you invest your time. Wasted time is worse than wasted money." That's all for this video. If you have liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe this channel for more powerful tips.